The Tech Matters YouTube channel brings you how to create a saved search in Command with Director of Technology, CaseyDoty. Today we're going to be getting into showing you how to do a saved search and send that to your client. So saved search, it's basically like an MLS portal where you can set up parameters, number of bedrooms, price of the house, that type of stuff, and send that to your clients. And what that does is once they click on the link in the email, it takes them to your agent website with those search parameters already set up. And also it will send them new listings that come out that match the parameters of that search. Let's show you how to do it. Go to your contacts. I'm going to go into me. So now once you're in here, go to Save Searches on the right hand side. You create a saved search, and we're going to call this Casey 85260. So now you can do this by neighborhood if you want, but I'm going to do it by zip code. I'm going to do 85260. Click there. And then you see this pops up right here. You have to click there and make sure it appears right here. And if you don't know the zip codes, you can actually click Find on Map, and it will show you different areas. So you can, this is actually for neighborhoods. So this is how you would find different neighborhoods. So you could select technically a bunch of neighborhoods in an area and pick any neighborhoods your client wants, and it would it would do all those. Like you could pick neighborhoods all over, like if they have different neighborhoods they'd like to live in all over the valley, you can do it that way. But again, I am going to do a zip code. So price range, we're going to do, let's do 450,000 to 700,000. So you see this keyword section here? You can technically use that as you want, and some of the options they give are view, pool, yard. If you're going to use that, I'd be very careful on the ones you use. For instance, pool. If you put pool, it doesn't search, like if there's a box check that says out of the pool, it searches like the description in MLS to see if it has a pool. And somebody might have put great backyard for a pool or pool ready or something like that, which it would come up in the search, but there's not actually a pool at that property. So just think about that if you're going to use keywords. So then we can do property type, and where you just want to look at, I don't want any of those. We're just going to do houses. And you can see listing status, and we'll just leave that on all of them. Beds, bath, we're just going to leave those on any. You can see you got minimum year built. You can do square footage. Price reduced in the last 7 days. So there's quite a bit of stuff you can do if you want to. So we're going to create that. It's that easy to create it. So now that it is created, an email will be sent to your client. And then it also puts that search on your agent website. So this is what the agent website looks from the client side when they're logged in, once they've created an account. And it's pretty cool. Once you send them that email with this saved search, if they don't already have an account created on your website, they can click and it will take them to your website, and then they can create their account. And you can have multiple searches at one time. So say we wanted to do a parameters for a certain neighborhood. So let's do McCormick Ranch. Start typing that in here. You can see this pops up right here. McCormick Ranch pops up below. Again, if we want to do similar price range, this time let's do 500, 650. Again, you can put other parameters here if you want. For these purposes, I'm not going to. So we're going to do create. And you can see, there you go. Pops up with another search, and now on their website, on your website, but with them logged into the website, there you go. Another search, McCormick Ranch. And this is cool because it shows all the neighborhoods around here, and then they can actually explore the neighborhood. The search functionality on the KW website is awesome. So it's a really cool feature, and it's the best feature by far on the website, and that's what people care about most, is being able to search for properties. So there you go. That's how you create a saved search. And we use this as one of the things in like our Facebook lead follow-up smart plan. This is one of the things you can do, create a saved search, and so they get updated on that stuff. So there you go. Thanks for watching Tech Matters with CaseyDoty. For other great command training videos, check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe.